This is a qualitative assessment used to check rectus femoris flexibility. The goal is to see if the front thigh muscles allow full hip extension while the knee stays straight. I had my client start seated at the edge of the table and then slowly roll back while holding the knee towards the chest. That helps flatten the lower back and anchor the pelvis, keeping it stable so the movement comes from the hip instead of the spine. The testing leg was left to hang off the edge of the table with the knee extended to isolate the rectus femoris. I stood it to the side, supporting the thigh and ankle of the testing leg, and reminded the client to keep their back flat and relax the hanging leg. I also watched to make sure there wasn't any pelvic tilt or arching in the low back, since that would change the results. In the end position, the thigh didn't drop completely with the table, which shows a slight restriction in hip extension. The knee stayed pretty straight, confirming the tightness is mostly coming from the rectus femoris rather than the hip flexors. Overall, this test falls in the yellow zone, meaning moderate rectus femoris tightness.